Hello my friend, welcome to this video.
Before we start, if video content was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Thank you.
Today we are going to start another pattern. Just see and learn and make your own pattern. I start with wave form and I want to create like a petal. Okay, let's start. I start with wave form 1. Noise and pattern 1. Wave number, size mix 25, and then add transformation 2D and on tiling. Hold Control Shift. Add Soil Grayscale. Hold Shift and decrease like double click on Soil Grayscale and one click on Transformation 2D. Now I invert width to minus and blend together. Mode, blending mode on max. Okay, like the mustache. Waveform with transformation 2D. Okay, set up this. Double click on blend and one click on transformation. Little up. And now another, and invert height. It add minus to 100%. And now add blend. Okay. The blending mode on max. Okay, this is the first shape. Now add a disc in the center. For second shape, add polygon 1 again add surreal. Like this. Now add a shape on this. Decrease the scale. Add a blend. Opacity down a little. Yes. And set up with this. Okay. Opacity 1 and mode on multiply. You see? And now add circle.
If video content was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Thank you.
Add a blend. Here, sorry. Hold shift and drag to background and add a transformation to the here you can use transformation 2D for duplicate around the shape or use mirror grayscale. Now I want add to a tile generator. Now we need to add some lines. Okay. Shape. See, and again add on top. I need this. Okay, down. Okay, now test this and hold shift, rotate. Okay, and again minus I invert height, blend together, blending mode on max, another transformation 2D, and invert width, blend again. blend this with this. Blends. Okay, need on the max. And see? Now I want a line in the center. Okay. And how to add. And can add 2 circle in the center. You want. Okay. Pattern is finished. With this way, you can add extra detail if you want, or create your own pattern with these simple notes. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please like the video and leave me a comment. Thank you and goodbye.